Welcome back, Mind Game Challenge style, camping tip and tricks. 1. What is the best way to cook food while camping? Answer: over an open fire. Cooking over an open fire is a traditional method that allows food to be prepared in a unique way while enjoying the outdoors. And remember, if your marshmallows catch fire, you can always claim you're just making campfire gourmet. 2. Which of the following is considered leave no trace principle? Answer: packing out all trash and waste. The leave no trace principle emphasizes minimizing human impact on the environment, which includes packing out all trash and waste to keep natural areas pristine. Just remember, squirrels don't have a recycling program. 3. What is the most essential item to bring for a camping trip? Answer: a first aid kit. A first aid kit is crucial for addressing any injuries or medical emergencies that may arise while camping, making it an essential item for safety. Plus, it's good to have on hand for those oops moments when you think you can balance on a log. 4. What type of tent is best suited for a family camping trip? Answer: a cabin tent. Cabin tents offer more space and are designed for family camping, providing enough room for multiple people and their gear, unlike single-person tents. Unless, of course, you're camping with a lot of very tiny imaginary friends. 5. What is the recommended way to store food while camping to avoid attracting wildlife? Answer: hang it from a tree. Hanging food from a tree is recommended to keep it out of reach of animals, which helps prevent wildlife encounters. Just make sure to hang it high enough that your brother-in-law can't reach it after one too many campfire s'mores. 6. What is the primary use of a camping stove? Answer: to cook meals. A camping stove is specifically designed for cooking meals while camping, offering a convenient way to prepare food without relying solely on an open fire. Just make sure you don't accidentally use it to warm up your coffee. Nobody wants a person caffeine deprived in the woods. 7. Which type of sleeping bag is best for cold weather camping? Answer: a synthetic insulated sleeping bag. Synthetic insulated sleeping bags are designed to provide warmth in cold weather conditions. Remember, you want to be cozy, not feel like you just took a dip in an icy lake, even if your tent mate insists on snoring like a bear. 8. What is the best method for purifying water while camping? Answer: boiling it. Boiling water is one of the most effective methods to kill harmful bacteria and pathogens. Just think, when you boil water, it's like giving the germs a hot sauna treatment, one they definitely won't enjoy. 9. When is the ideal time to set up camp? Answer: before sunset. Setting up camp before sunset allows ample daylight to pitch your tent and arrange your campsite. Plus, nobody wants to set up their tent in the dark, unless they're keen on becoming a human pretzel. 10. What is a common sign of a good camping spot? Answer: high ground and away from water. A camping spot on high ground and away from water helps avoid flooding. Because nothing says, great camping experience, like waking up to find your tent is now an inflatable raft. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about camping, tips and tricks. Mind games challenge style. Don't forget. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.